The KONIX 88 Keys Roll Up Piano is a highly portable instrument designed with a lightweight and flexible silicone keyboard, making it perfect for musicians on the go. This roll-up piano offers a rich array of features, including 128 international standard tones and rhythms, along with 14 demo songs to enhance your musical creativity. Equipped with a USB MIDI output, the piano allows easy connection to computers for music editing, providing a seamless integration into digital music production. The device boasts a user-friendly LED display and includes convenient functions such as recording, playback, sustain, and vibrato, making it versatile for both practice and performance. Its compact and rechargeable design ensures you can practice for 9 to 10 hours continuously, making it ideal for classroom settings and group learning environments. As a thoughtful gift for beginners, the KONIX Roll Up Piano is easy to use and learn, offering an enjoyable introduction to music and keyboard playing.